Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making the best refrigerator pickles. This easy recipe is actually from a friend who works in the Organic Valley kitchen, so I can't take credit for the recipe, only for sharing it. I was so obsessed with these pickles after my last visit to the office that Cindy kindly let me share this recipe with the world. Start by slicing 6 large cucumbers. If you like thinner pickles, then slice them thinner. Next, slice 1 large green bell pepper and 1 yellow onion into strips. Layer the pickles, green bell pepper, and onion in a large mixing bowl in that order. Make sure that the mixing bowl you're using has a lid. I like to use a glass bowl with a lid like the one I'm using here. Sprinkle the top with 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Let the veggies sit for 2 hours and then drain off the excess liquid. Next, add 226 grams of cane sugar, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of celery seed to a small mixing bowl. Whisk together and then transfer that to the bowl with the cucumbers and put the lid on. Shake them up to coat the veggies completely. Transfer the bowl to the fridge and then stir them once a day for a few days. This is going to be the hardest part, is letting them sit. After 3 days, they are ready to eat. You can enjoy these homemade refrigerator pickles on burgers, sandwiches, salads, or even just enjoy them as a snack all on their own. If you want more easy organic recipes like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.